Hello, everyone. It's Bianca here. Hi, everyone. I don't know what to say. How are you? How's your day? Kasi patapos na yung araw. So, time. It's currently 9:21 p.m. And haven't really done anything today aside from crying. But yeah, sometimes you just have days where feeling mo talaga wala kang kwenta. Hindi naman sa walang kwenta. But like, alam mo yung feeling na you neglect your own feeling and you despise yourself. Gets? Because of the things na naiisip mo. And I was crying earlier this morning. I don't know why. Just feel so bad. And guess what? Late ako nagising, guys. So, absent ako sa isang subject namin today. And proof lang to na I really don't have my life together. Though, ganun yung palaging sinasabi ng mga tao sa akin. But yeah, I just want you guys to know na ganito po yung nangyayari sa akin. And hindi po ako nag-jogging today or buhay pa po tayo and alam natin yung direction natin. Feeling ko kasi third week na ng online classes namin today, so medyo nababurn out na ako. Pero next week wellness break na, so hopefully maging okay na next week. Before that, we need to finish an analysis that's due tomorrow. Pero I haven't really done anything. But yeah, let's have some question of the day. Okay, what do I have here? Oh, actually, I have my long lost diary here. Yan, pang may pera ba yan? Joke lang. Okay, magbabasa tayo ng random. Parang susa din naman. Okay, ito. Sinulat ko November 15, 2022, 9:30 p.m. Okay, let's see. I just finished another book today. Ewan ko kung matutulala ba ako or kung ano. See? I'm speechless. A lot of things happened kaya Gwen and Rory. But at the end of the day, they still found themselves resting on each other. Wow. I'm so happy that they turned out okay. What's the term again? Post-story haze. How can someone make, ano daw? How can someone make us love and hurt so much? Wow. I feel like how do I explain this? When you love someone, it's like you're giving them permission to push your buttons. They can tick you off, get irritated, but if you're willing to endure that. Make sense? Yun. Oh, what the heck? It's February 13 today. Oh my. Nakalimutan kong maglagay ng dates ng mga nakaraang videos ko, pero okay lang yan. It's Valentine's tomorrow. Do you guys have a date? Well, I don't have a date. I will spend my day tomorrow doing arts. Or read a book. I don't know. I don't really have a plan. Hindi nagme-make sense yung Valentine's for me. I don't wanna celebrate Valentine's. Or should I say I just don't have someone to celebrate Valentine's with. I'm the real loser here. I don't know any of those things. I'm happy to see my friends. Sana ganun din kayo, guys. And I swear, look horrible today. Okay, let's freaking do this. Let's see. Or statement about love since it's Valentine's tomorrow. Let's go to medium. Let's type the word love. Ang dami! January 13, 2026. Hello guys! Parang gusto ko nang bumalik sa pagsusulat. Dati, kahit ano lang sinusulat ko. Pero sige, let's read this. Sometimes, I feel that everything I write, I draw, and say is just a remix of All You Need Is Love by the Beatles. Okay, let's pop up the song. Sige, let's see. Happy Valentine's, guys. Happy Hearts Day. Sa lahat ng mga in love, good for you guys. All you need is love. Have some tea with me. Okay, playing. Sometimes, I feel that everything I write, draw, and say is just a mix of All You Need Is Love by the Beatles. Fundamentally, all of us want to be happy, and we understand that happiness and being loved are linked together. But often, we find happiness eludes us because we are unwilling to love first. True. Not to harden ourselves against the threat of rejection. We play it cool, never being fully vulnerable with those closest to us, and we never risk heartbreak by loving too freely. Oh, that's a good point. You have to love freely. Connecting with strangers becomes a game of chicken. Wait lang. Pwede ko ba ito basahin? Bawal yata. Ay, hindi pala ako member, kaya ganun. Who will be soft and vulnerable first? Happiness doesn't come from an absence of sadness or rejection. The most joyful people are not hardened against the cruelty of the world. Instead, the happiest people are the softest people. I do agree. Love and to be loved is to be purposely vulnerable to heartbreak and to choose to love anyway. Oh! All you need is love. Yun lang. Love is all you need.